Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss chapter number 5 of your book English 2nd. The name of chapter number 5 is Nouns, Singular and Plural. So, let's start. Firstly students, we will start our video with the definition of noun. What is noun? Noun is a name of any person, place, animal or thing. For example, Ram, Sita, Gorakhpur, table, etc. Ram and Sita, these are the name of person. Table, chair, these are the things. These are nouns. And Gorakhpur, the name of city. So this is also a noun. In simple language, you can say all the naming words are noun. Okay. Now, nouns can be divided into two parts. First one is singular and plural. You have learned that a noun is singular when it is one in number. So, students, what is singular noun? When a noun is one in number, that is called singular noun. For example, book. Book is one in number, so it is singular noun. And what is plural noun? It is plural when it is more than one. What is the definition of plural, student? When a noun is more than one in number, it is called plural noun. For example, books. Book is one in number, so it is singular noun. And books are more than one in number, so it is plural noun. Cap. Cap is one in number, so it is singular noun. Caps is more than one in number, so it is plural noun. Now let's discuss some rules how to change a singular noun into its plural form. So let's discuss. Your first rule is we add an s to form the plural of most singular nouns. For example, book, books, cap, caps. Students, in the rule number first, we have given that we add s to form the plural of most singular nouns. अधिकतर सिंगुलर नाउन्स जो हैं बेटा वो एस ऐड करके ही बनाए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुक, बुक्स, कैप, कैप्स. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल टेबल. टेबल इज सिंगुलर. व्हाट इज द प्लूरल ऑफ टेबल? टेबल्स. गर्ल. गर्ल इज सिंगुलर. प्लूरल ऑफ गर्ल इज गर्ल्स. chalk. Chalk is singular. Plural of chalk is chalks. So most singular nouns are changed, can be changed by adding s. Okay, so this is the rule number first. Now come to next. This is the rule number second. What is in rule number second? We add es to form the plural of singular nouns that end in s, sh, ch or x. For example, class, classes. Watch, watches. Bush, bushes. Tax, taxes. So rule number second is saying that we add es to form the plural of singular noun that end in s, sh, ch or x. Students, here are some words which are ending by double s, ch, sh, x. By seeing all the ending letters, we can imagine we can make idea that we have to add es at the end of given word. Okay, plural of class is classes. Okay, we have added es at the end of given class. We will not add just as. Okay, we will not add just as, we will add es. Second example, watch, watches. We have added es at the given word. Bus, we have added es to make it plural. We have added es to make it plural. Next example, for example, bench. Students, you can see ch comes at the end of given word, so we have to add es. We have to add es at the given word. Another example, grass, grass. You can see double s comes at the end of given word. Okay, so we have to add es at the given word. I hope this is clear. Now come to the next rule, that is rule number 3rd. To form the plural of nouns ending in y, we drop y and add ies at the given singular word. Students, you can see in the example there is y that is comes at the end of given word. So while changing it into the plural, we have to remove y, and when we have to remove y, we have to add ies at the given word. Next example, duty. We have to remove y and we have to add ies. Another example, poppy. poppy, poppy. So while make it plural, we have to remove y and we have to add ies. Now rule number 4. What is in rule number 4? We add ves to form the plural of words that end with f or fe. Students, you can see there are two words that end with f and fe. Okay, so while make it plural, we have to remove f and also fe, and then we add ves. Okay, wolf. You can see f at the given word. Okay, so we have to remove f and we have to add ves. wol is given. wol is given. Now we have to remove only f and add ves. Just like in second example, we have to remove fe. K and I are the same letter, but we have to add ves. Now plural of this is these and the plural of that is those. Okay, now let's revise once again. What is rule number 1st? We add s to form the plural of most singular nouns. For example, book, books, cap, caps. Second rule number, we had es to form the plural of singular nouns that end in s, sh, ch or x. For example, class, classes, watch, watches, bus, buses, tax, taxes. Now come to the next rule. To form the plural of nouns ending in y, we drop y and add ies. For example, study, studies, duty, duties, poppy, poppies, penny, pennies. Next, we add ves to form the plural of words that end with f or fe. For example, wolf, wolves, knife, knives. There are two words, the plural of two words. First one is this, the plural of this is these, and the plural of that is those. So that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture we will discuss some exercise of this chapter. Till then you will revise these rules at your home. Thank you everyone.